What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Jack Skellington, the Pumpkin King. So, is it a Christmas movie or a Halloween movie? It's like both. So, it's nearly Christmas. So let's give this a go. Landscape page, use pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going to start. His head is like tilted. We'll start with his eyes, I think, just to get everything sort of, or his mouth. Start with his eyes. So we go around like this. Okay. And the other one pretty much same. His head's kind of a little bit tilted. Okay. And then his nostrils here. Here. He colored in black. Right, so he's got like a big smile and a big round head. So we'll go for the smile. How far up? It's pretty high up. It's like right up to the corner of his face nearly. Yeah, it like touches, I think, right there. And then we're going to open up his mouth. And then I think there's some teeth in this one. Does he have teeth normally? Yeah, I think he has like some little white teeth down there. Okay, so in the mouth, we've got like some white teeth spaced out a bit. Maybe like another one up here somewhere. We'll go, we might as well go black in between all those. Right, like so. So then he's got like stitching all on his lips. So this kind of stuff. Right, and then on the bottom as well. Jack, the Pumpkin King. Right. And I guess this one's like a little sort of eyebrow kind of stuff coming around here, maybe on his cheek. Just like light sort of, just given like a light sort of shape to like this hole in his eye, because it dips in a bit. So you just like trace a little light sketchy line just sort of around it like that. Just makes it look a little bit more three-dimensional. And then we do the round head, right? So it's like the moon, right? So it's like joint comes from his mouth and then goes around. And it's very round and circular. Joins the bottom of his head here. Comes up to there. So his neck kind of curves this way. It goes in behind this kind of cat's head that he has on his lapel or his bow tie, right? And it's kind of like, so it goes the head there, and then we have an ear spiking up that way, and the ear going up this way, and then this goes around to the cat's chin and then up to there. And then it's got an inner ear part. I think this is from Fortnite, so there's like a bit more detail in this than the actual show. And the cat's eyes are like very slanted, kind of sort of things like this, and then there's like a bit of a nose or something here. And again, he has like little sort of lines around the eye and stuff. So his suit jacket, and there's like the bow tie is like real long and spiky, so go for the spiky bow tie. And it's like crazy shapes. Like that. And then on the other side, of course, there's all white stripes on this. So it's up to you if you want to do them in black, if you're keeping it a black and white drawing, or color around them, you know, and do his pinstripe suit sort of all black with white on top. I'll probably do that myself. And right, his suit jacket closes itself sort of going that way and then coming around here. And the lapel of that suit sort of comes in here. There's like a button there. And then his chest kind of comes down the front this way. And then we can see the back of his jacket going around his neck with an inside line. And then he's got an arm that sticks out here. Like his armpit is like here. Going that way. Very skinny. And then his other arm just kind of goes off down the page this way. You could see maybe his elbow maybe turning that way or something. If you want some texture lines and stuff on his jacket. And of course he's all black and white. And then there's white stripes. Jack the Pumpkin King. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.